Today I'll be showing how to add end screen on your video. Go to Chrome and go search YouTube Studio. Click on the first link. And then click this. The video you want. And then go here. As you can see, I already added my end screen. Click on this and edit it. Speed up. Bye.
Hi guys, today I'll be showing how to add voiceover. Go to Capcut or download Capcut. Make a video or select the video you want to put voiceover. Now follow my steps. Select any voiceover and enjoy. This is the voice I used to use for my videos. That's all, thank you.